Sandra Hindman. I want to look with you at an unusually large transitional Bible, English, around 1220. This is an unusual Bible. It's what my colleague, Laura Light, the world's expert on Bibles, calls a transitional Bible. It's made in England around 1220, and it exists in a space somewhere between something like the Winchester Bible or the Lambeth Bible and the small portable Bibles, sometimes called Paris Bibles, but which also exist in England from around 1240. It's large, very large. It's about 16 inches in height. And the entire Bible is in one volume, as it will be in the Paris portable Bible. But look, and it's in two columns with running heads. But look, it's printed, compressed in two columns with additional columns ruled for notes in the margin. And indeed, at the beginning, there are notes in the Bible. Here you see them. They stop shortly after. Probably such Bibles, Laura Light believes, are used by scholars. Certainly they are not like these small mendicant ones carried around and used for preaching or to say the office. It has other unusual features too. Even though unfinished, it has canon tables between the Old and the New Testament. Here are the canon tables, for example. It has very unusual and beautiful initials, colored in green, red, and blue, as well as penwork initials. The colored initials are typically English. It would be a great purchase for an institution that has earlier Bibles, those that are Romanesque, and later Gothic Bibles, or for a private collector. It's a grand, majestic manuscript.